Every day, our bodies are exposed to countless toxins that put stress on our immune system. Some of it we can control and some of it we can't, but regardless, it doesn't change the fact that our immune systems take several hits every single day. However, if the immune system is impaired, this can lead to illness or possibly even more serious health issues. There are many factors that can affect the immune system, such as our diet, exercise, stress, and sleep. The fact is that no matter how hard we try to avoid it, our immune systems will eventually get compromised at some point. Stressful situations at work, inadequate sleep, or some other factor, or factors, will inevitably have an impact on the immune system and our health. While all essential oils have antimicrobial properties, they differ in which properties they contain. Below are common essential oils for immunity, plus a few that contain powerful antimicrobial compounds that can be especially useful in fighting off a wide range of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. 1. Lavender. It's usually a pretty safe bet that lavender will be beneficial for most situations. It's an incredibly versatile oil that is useful for just about anything. Specifically for immunity, lavender is beneficial since it can not only help induce a good night's rest, encouraging your body to get the restorative sleep it needs, but is also commonly used for reducing stress as well. As mentioned above, stress and sleep are both contributing factors for lowered immunity. However, another way lavender helps with immunity is with its antioxidant properties, protecting the cells from free radicals. 2. Eucalyptus. With its powerful antiviral and antibacterial properties, eucalyptus is another essential oil that is great for immunity. Although commonly used for the treatment of respiratory illnesses, it's actually beneficial for much more than that. It can help fight off a number of illnesses such as flu, chickenpox, measles, and more. Additionally, it's stimulating to the immune system, as well as to the mind. Please note that eucalyptus essential oil should be used with caution and never on or near the face of infants or young children. 3. Rosemary. A versatile oil is an essential oil that is beneficial for immunity. Having powerful antimicrobial properties, it is often used when fighting off illness, especially of the respiratory variety. Additionally, it is an immunostimulant, so it can not only help protect the body by fighting off germs, but also helps boost the immune system. Please note that rosemary should be used with caution and never on or near the face of infants or young children. 4. Neuilly essential oil is considered for boosting immunity. It is antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. It is therapeutic for a number of chronic diseases. Not only is it beneficial when used for respiratory issues, but it's also useful in combating colds, fever, and the flu. Neuilly is also a stimulating essential oil and is even useful in getting rid of parasites and fighting off infections and germs as well. Last but not least, oregano is another essential oil that is incredibly beneficial for boosting immunity. It is antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal, making it fantastic for killing germs and preventing illness. It's considered especially useful in fighting infection and inflammation. It's also a stimulating essential oil. However, oregano is a very potent essential oil. In fact, it is commonly referred to as a hot oil, meaning it can induce a warming sensation and can easily be irritating. For this reason, it should be used with extreme caution. Oregano should never be used on young children or pregnant or breastfeeding mothers. It should also be used at very low dilutions and never undiluted or used on irritated skin. By far, the safest way to use oregano essential oil is diffusion. While any of the above essential oils can be used in an immune-supporting blend, a simple recipes blend that would be especially beneficial when diffused throughout the home to help boost immunity. Immunity blend. Lavender, 3 drops. Eucalyptus, 2 drops. Rosemary, 2 drops. Neuilly, 2 drops. Oregano, 1 drop.